Here's how you assemble your rolling cooler vending cart. Attach the crossbar utilizing the screws and screwdriver. Carefully flip the cooler upside down and attach the legs using the screws and hex wrench. Place the shelf over the legs, making sure the holes for the umbrella bracket are on the back. Secure by screwing in both the front and back wheels. Flip the cooler right side up and attach the handles using the screws and hex wrench. If your graphic wrap covers the holes, identify the indentations and poke through the wrap to install the screws. Attach the 3 umbrella mount brackets to the back of the cooler. Attach the bottle opener. For the cap catcher, install the screws just enough to place the catcher over the screw heads, but loose enough so you can remove the catcher to dispose of the caps. To install the drain plug, open the cooler lid and insert the drain bushing with one of the rubber gaskets attached from inside the cooler. On the outside, attach the second rubber gasket and cap ring. Tighten with the lock nut and secure the cap to the drain plug. You are now ready to use your rolling cooler vending cart.